Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a super simple, easy, automatic sheep wool farm in Minecraft. All the materials will be listed in the description below. This will be your ground level. Place a chest, hopper looking in the chest, a rail on top of the hopper, a minecart with hopper. Then grab whatever blocks you're going to be building with. I'll be using stone bricks. Place 2 blocks to the left of the minecart hopper, 2 blocks to the right, and 2 blocks behind. Then you're going to want to place 8 grass blocks like so, leaving out the black block. Come behind and place an observer looking into the grass block. Place a block behind the observer, redstone dust, then a dispenser on top of the observer. Place a block above the dispenser, then fill in the rest with glass. Like so. Now you're going to have to lure a sheep up into the machine, but for the demonstration of the video I'll just spawn one in. Then you're going to want to grab shears and place them into the dispenser. The more shears you have, the longer the farm will run for. And then when the sheep eats the grass block, the observer will detect that, power in this redstone dust, which will then shear the sheep. And then all this grass around this dirt block is what's going to regenerate the grass in the middle. The wool is then going to be collected by the minecart hopper, which will be put into this chest. This is your ground floor, this is what you'll be looking at. To make it look better, just place stairs here. Then place some trapdoors. I'll be using spruce trapdoors. This is just to hide the dirt. You can then come up top and place slabs for the roof. This 3x4 module can also be placed next to each other. For the demonstration in the video, I'll make 2 more on either side. You can stack as many as you want to either side, and you can also drag them around corners. Now if I increase the random tick speed, you'll see the grass grow faster and the sheep will be sheared. Just remember to refill these dispensers with shears whenever they run it, and then when the sheep eat the grass, they'll be sheared automatically and their wool will be put into this chest for you to collect. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, it would really help the channel a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.